hoping for better days to come. Memories are flickering shadows.
All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and put the garland here. So the things that you're gonna need are, we need command strips with the hooks on them. We need scissors, and then we need our zip ties. And that is all you're gonna need to get your garland to stay on this flat surface. Now, what we normally do is we'll put the garland on the stairwell, on the stair, what is this thing? Handle, whatever.
Yeah.
The stair wall. And then we'll kind of gauge where we want to stick these. Then we take the back of them off. We'll stick them on here. So we usually do 3 per side.
This way. Good. No.
I don't think it matters as long as we put the zip tie on here. But maybe it was better this way, because that way it goes like that. No, I think it was like this.
Yeah, let's put that.
Yeah, like this. So this way with the hook up this way. And then we put 3 on this area. So probably one about here, one about there, and then one way up at the top. And then once we figure that out, then we go underneath the garland, take the zip tie, and connect the zip tie to the hook and to the garland, and it stays. And Kayla's already done our prep work on the garland. She's already got that done. She's got, I think she's gonna go show us. She's got the garland with the lights already on them and ready to go. And normally what we try to do too, because we have the twinkle lights on them, there's a little box on there, and there's the box there. I think y'all seen it earlier, but there's a box there. So we try to hide the box right underneath the garland at the top, all right? So we're gonna go ahead and get started, and yeah, just watch and see how we work our magic. You ready? How many of those things do you have?
Well,
The command strips.
I have
No,
there's-
okay, so give me 2 so I can have one more pocket. Okay. So we want it, is that good? And as you can see, this works perfectly for my area. So I got the box right here. I'm gonna just kind of fit the box here for now. And that's how I know we put the twinkle lights on last year, because the box got in there. All right, so where should we put the first one?
about
Probably
there.
right there. And right now we're just placing the command strip. We're not doing the zip tie just yet. There's another one. I think it should go probably that way right here. So that's why I'm glad I called her over. I know you guys can't see our faces right now, but this is why I'm glad I called her over, because she helped me last year, first of all, just figure this whole thing out. And so, yeah. All right, and then last one here. Sorry that you guys can't see this part, but trust me, it's the same at the bottom than it is at the top. Now it's time to grab the zip tie. We've gotten them placed where we want them. Now it's time for the zip tie. And last year we had clear ones. This year we had green ones. I guess next year we'll use the red ones.
So I'm gonna place it here. So place it here.
So basically what she's doing is finding a place around the garland and then she's gonna put it around the hook. Do you need me to do it? Are you
trying to
able to
get
do it
it.
with your nails?
Trying to get it. There we go.
And working with Kayla, she's in the right profession because she is a perfectionist. Honey. You got her around the hook?
Oh, it's trying to connect to the other one,
The other
the
one?
clear one.
Oh, the clears are still on here?
Uh-huh.
Oh, well shoot.
Yeah, it's right here.
Oh, is this one on here too? Oh yeah, it is. Okay, well then that's another good idea, guys, is you can already put the zip tie already on the garland where you want it to be placed, and then you just kind of hook it into the hook. Oh, I didn't realize that.
So I was like, they were on here, but
Yeah, I see it right here. Maybe we should just put it.
did you agree?
Is the green one trying to hook on there or no?
No, I didn't do it.
Okay.
I don't think
I got this one on.
Yeah, me too.
Oh, no, I thought I did. Here we go. There we go. Wow, that was kind of easy. I didn't realize we still had the zip tie on here from last year. So that one's on. So let me see if I can find this zip tie. Oh, there it is. However, this one is a little higher. This one,
No, you said want to do a cream one?
I might have to. Yeah, I might have to because this one's a little higher and it took that one off. So I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie this one here. Oh shoot.
What?
Guess what I did?
What?
Zip tied the twinkle light. But that's okay. We'll
Yeah.
just clip it when it's time to take it down.
Okay, then we gotta put
Another zip tie over here. Good. And then we'll cut what's left of the zip tie as well. That's fine. Get down here. Yeah, we're gonna have to definitely cut the green zip tie. And so now I do know that I actually did this the way I said that we actually did put the garland on here first, and then I laid the twinkle lights in the garland. Am I putting this in backwards?
we need to maybe do that one. Add another zip tie.
I swear this went so much easier last year, and of course we're filming, and now it wants to act up. But yeah, I'll have to cut this one off and do another zip tie to make sure it stays on good. And then I can free my twinkle light. Right. Take that one off. Zip tie.
think you might want to pull it
Pull
up
it a
some.
little bit more. Here.
Yeah.
Can you come hold it at the top? So that it stays where it's supposed to stay. There we go. So you definitely need a set of 2 hands to get this done. Sound we want to hear. And I'll make sure it's on the hook. Yeah, it's on the hook. And pull it as tight as possible because you want this to stay. And last year it did, it stayed the entire time. And then you can go in and
This
fluff.
one's off. The middle. There's 2 zip ties, so either.
Well, I think it's fine. I think we're gonna be okay. What do you think? Or should I try to redo it again? Because I think what it is when you pulled.
Yeah.
So I'll just put another one. I'll just put another one on. Did I do it again? No.
Hold on, pushing it down.
Well, I don't hear it zipping. I don't hear it doing the zzz.
I have to put it down. Oh, I have to put it down lower.
I don't think yeah, and I don't think I had it on
Look, put it down.
And watch, we're gonna do the other one.
And it could be so much easier.
I'm just trying to make sure I have it on the zippy side. But you guys kind of get the gist of it, of how to get it done. But I still don't hear the zzz. But it's on there, I hope. No, it is not. I don't know why this one ain't zipping. Like this. Why isn't it? This particular one is not catching. I don't know why. Yeah, because this one is not saying zzz. Hold on, maybe I'm doing it backwards. This one is not doing the thing that it's supposed to be doing. It's not doing this. It's on the hook. Oh no, it wasn't on the hook. No, now let me watch this. Let me see. Am I doing it right?
It's the other way. The other way.
This way?
Yeah.
And I just connected it that one little bit. It's not gonna come out. I need another one. Well, no, I need another one, right? Yeah. Why? Like I don't know how to do a zip tie, y'all. This is ridiculous. All right. Yay. And then you want to fluff it to kind of hide the zip tie. Last year wasn't so bad because we had clear zip tie. And so all this fluffing, like, they would just be is obsolete. And so I kind of get the box. I'm not going to twirl that just yet because I need to set the timer on this thing. But I'm just going to kind of shove that down up in there like so. And then we'll do the next one. So that is it. And we'll show you guys the results of the rest of the house when we get it all done. All right? Stay tuned.